And Brendan, just very briefly, please, a capital gain realized from a stock sale, there's a timestamp. It's pretty clear when you start the clock. But on a partnership K-1 gain, which it could be mutual funds or hedge funds or private equity funds distribute these partnership K-1 gains, unfortunately, increasingly late to you, the client and the practitioner. There are multiple dates in which the 180 clock starts. So briefly, could you just tell the audience what those three dates are?
Yes, I hear you saying briefly. I won't go too far.
Yes, thank you.
If you recognize a gain as an individual, your 180-day reinvestment clock starts on the day of the sale. So it's the day of the sale plus 179. For a gain that flows through to you on a K-1, either from a partnership or an S corporation, you can start the 180-day reinvestment period on the day of the underlying transaction, the end of the entity's tax year, which is generally December 31st, or the original due date of the entity's tax return, which generally is March 15th. So in effect,
you
get one
March
of those 3 days
of the next year.
Yeah. I mean, if you look at 2025, for example, if you sold something back, January 1st of this year, your 180-day clock as an individual has expired. But if that gain came through to you on a partnership and you had not made any OZ investments prior to now, you can choose to have that clock start on December 31st or March 15th of next year and potentially invest all the way into early September of next year for a gain that you recognize back in January of 25.
Very good. So if you derive a partnership gain, you got a lot of flexibility, potentially extended timing to qualify that gain for OZ tax treatment. Remember that you invest the gain and the basis is put in your pocket tax-free, and the OZ does not require the investment of the entire gain. It's all or part of the gain. So the OZ, when compared to 1031 and even QSBS, and there are not many extraordinarily significant tax shields like the opportunity zone legislation provides, but it also from any source, but it also does not prescribe the fact that you must invest the entirety of the gain. So a lot of flexibility there.